Dito tayo sa BGC to check this new foreclosed condo unit, Avida Towers Verte. Malapit lang siya sa Uptown Bonifacio and sa High Street. So let's go and check this out. So this is the unit, 24th floor. And this is approximately 37 square meters. One bedroom, 7.8 million. That's the regular price. Bathroom niya very spacious. Meron ding abang for laundry area. And this is the bedroom. It looks like hindi siya nagamit ng previous owner. Okay? Kasi intact pa yung aircon provision niya. And ito may konting masilya lang naman yan. Windows niya malalaki naman. Ayan. Facing BGC. Discounted price is around 7 million or around 189,000 per square meter. That's below market value na po. Mga kondo rito sa BGC, especially here in North BGC or Uptown area, nasa 15 million and up na. Yung mga typical cut or regular cut na mga studio or one bedroom na 30 to 35 square meters. Pero this one is around 7 million, pwede natin siya makuha for approval. As is where is upon turnover. And this is available in cash or at least 20% down payment and then 80% balance, bank financing plus taxes and fees. So if you are interested to schedule a property showing and make an offer, please message us directly. Amenities area niya. Gym. Function area. Then swimming pool. Parks and playground. Parks and playground. Swimming pool.